Good day. We are asked to factorize x squared minus 36, 4a squared minus 16, and 3x squared minus 27. We are going to consider these as the difference of two squares. And working out part 1, we have x squared subtract 36. We have to express this as a difference of two squares, which means something to the power 2 subtract something else to the power 2. Now 36 is equal to 6 times 6. So I can write 36 as 6 squared. And afterwards, I follow this procedure. I set up my brackets. And the x will come here and here. Okay. So I'll write x here and x over here. Plus sign, minus sign. And the 6 will come here and there. So we have to remember a simple procedure. And that is our answer. We have factorized x squared minus 36. Let's try part 2 now. Remember, we can double check our answer by expanding these brackets. X times x is x squared. X times negative 6 is negative 6x. 6 times x is positive 6x. And 6 times negative 6 is negative 36. And when we simplify that expression, we will get x to the power 2 subtract 36. Part 2. 4a squared minus 16. We want to express these two terms as the difference of two squares. If we find the square root of 4a squared, we will get 2a to the power 2 subtract square root of 16 is 4 to the power 2. We now set our brackets up. One bracket must have a plus sign and the other bracket must have a minus sign. Okay, so 2a will come here and there. Okay, so we place our 2a in those positions. 2a. Okay, and 4 will come in this spot and that spot. So we place our 4 in those positions. And that's it. We have 2a plus 4 multiplied by 2a minus 4. For the last question, part 3, we have 3x squared subtract 27. The first step is to factorize this by taking out the common factor, which is 3. And 3 into 3 is 1, so we will have x squared here. Subtract 3 into 27 is 9. We now work on the inside of the brackets and try to express that as a difference of two squares. So we have x squared subtract, instead of 9, 3 3s are 9, and the square root of 9 is 3. So we can write this as 3 squared. So we now have 3 times. We set our brackets up. One bracket has a plus sign and one has a minus sign. Okay, the x will come here and there. So we'll have x x again over here, and the 3 will come in this position and this position. So we'll write 3 over here and 3 over there. So we have factorized all our quadratic expressions, and we have recognized that each one has a difference of 2 squares. Thanks for watching.